Welcome, my fabulous little minions. Video 5. Today's just the type of reactions. There's 4 of them. We need to be able to identify which ones they are now that we can balance chemical equations. So basically, can we tell the difference between the 4 kinds? Here is a list of them. So, single replacement. Definition is there. Some examples. And you will see that generally there is a single element on the reactant side. There's a key with a compound on the reactant side. And we'll notice this in this particular case, the silver and the gold are just switching. So now gold is by itself and not silver. So that is a single replacement reaction. It will look like this. A plus BC. So this would be the silver, the gold, and the chlorine. Go to B is positive, A, C plus B. That's the general formula. Okay? Now, double replacement is just what it sounds like. Two things are going to be replaced instead of one, like in the previous example. So if you'll notice, on the reactant side, I have 2 compounds. And on the product side, I have 2 compounds. So that is a tell of what's happening. And you'll see you can say the negatives are switching, the negative ions, or you can say the positive ions are switching. Either way, you'd be correct. Okay, so I'm going to write this down, what it would look like. AB plus CD. And notice this is a plus, and this is a minus, and this is a plus, and this is a minus. So I'll never have them switch, right? So C's got to go with B. C is a plus, and B is a minus. And then A is going to go with D. A, D. There's the general formula for what it's going to look like as far as an equation that is a double replacement. Okay? Next, we have synthesis. Well, synthesis means to make. And if I look, I have 2 elements on the left-hand side, the reactants, and they form a compound. So they form together to make something new. So what it will look like is A plus B becomes C. Or, let's write, whoa, Mr. Milks. Whoa, Mr. Milks. How about AB? We could do that. Is that good? Okay, good. Decomposition, to decompose, to break apart. So I'm going to have 1 compound on my reactant side. I'm going to have 2 different things on my product side. They are breaking down. So this will look much like this. AB goes to A plus B. You may also see this sometimes. C goes to A plus B, just like how I wrote it before, but we'll stick with this for now. Like I said, this is just not a testable question. This is just a generic, how do I know which one's which? So, that being said, you have practice packets, page 15 through 19, and a super short video. Thank you, Mr. Milks. Thank you, Mr. Milks. We also have a Castle assignment. Look for 05 type of reactions. Remember, the Castle assignments are all going to start with Milks Monaco for the ones you need to do for homework notes. Okay, so we're all done with our 4 basic reactions. I will see you guys in class tomorrow.